In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create saved hashtag groups. If you post regularly on social media, saved hashtag groups in later are a simple way to save time and keep your captions consistent. Instead of typing or copying the same tags over and over, you can store them once and reuse them whenever you need. This is especially helpful if you switch between themes, campaigns, or platforms and want your most effective tags ready to go. First, log into Later. You can do this on desktop, which offers a clear view of your settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the hashtags you save live where you actually plan to schedule content. A stable connection and an updated browser will help everything run smoothly. Next, go to Settings and open Hashtag Groups. You'll find settings in the main navigation, often along the sidebar or under your account menu. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Hashtag Groups. This is the dedicated spot where all your saved groups live and where you'll create new ones and make edits in the future. Now click Create New Group. This opens a clean form where you'll define your group. Give your group a clear, descriptive name. Think about how you'll use it later. Name by theme, campaign, location, or platform. For example, you might choose something like Travel Core or Summer Promo. Keep it short, specific, and memorable so it's easy to select at a glance. Add your hashtags next, separating each one with commas or spaces. Type them carefully to avoid typos, and consider a mix that fits your content goals. Broad tags can increase visibility, while more niche tags can connect you with a targeted audience. Keep platform limits in mind and avoid overly repetitive or spammy combinations. It's a good idea to use relevant, up-to-date tags and to check that none of them are flagged or discouraged on your platform of choice. If readability matters to you, consider using consistent capitalization like title case, which can make longer tags easier to scan. When you're happy with the name in the list, click Save. Your new hashtag group is now stored and ready to use whenever you craft captions in Later. From here on out, pulling in the right tags becomes a quick, consistent step rather than a last-minute scramble. That's it, simple, efficient, and a big boost for your workflow. By logging in, heading to Settings, creating a new group, naming it clearly, adding hashtags separated by commas or spaces, and saving, you've set yourself up for faster, more consistent posting.